Hi guys, BMW Chris W. Today we're doing a video of a white 550 BMW with a DINAN exhaust. Let's get started. We're here at Performance BMW. Check this car out. This is a white on white BMW 550. The M package on it. It has some M performance items on it as well. And there's the DINAN exhaust. Really cool stuff. Car also has a carbon fiber wing. Just looks really sharp from that angle. Almost looks like an M5 from this angle actually. It's really interesting. The 550 is a pretty rare car as it is. What makes the 550 special is this 4.4 liter V8 engine. Really nice condition. We just got the car. It has some black grills as well. Let's check the interior. I know this is like a fully loaded car. It's got a nice window tint on it, front and back. These are the comfort seats, 20-way power adjustments. Got a massage there as well. M steering wheel. Really nice looking car, especially with the black roof. Nice contrast. Right, the black roof. The M side sills. Really nice looking car. Let's hear how the exhaust sounds. So once again, this is BMW Chris W. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.